Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app you click on settings. Sorry, here in this first page we go to settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here we search about Mango app and we click. In this page of app on for we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that you'll turn on your airplane mode and you'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us.